If you're running a service business and you're not using Housecall Pro, then straight up, you're missing out on money. I'm going to share with you the 3 big ways that Housecall Pro can help your service business grow. And I'm also going to share with you a way that you can save on Housecall Pro if you're not using it already. Go sign up. There's a link in the description. You can save 50% off your first 2 months of Housecall Pro if you use that link. This stuff works great for car detailers, house cleaners, carpet cleaners, pressure washers, roofers, electricians, plumbers. If you're out in the field helping customers at their location, at their home, at their business, then this is a great field service management software for you. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing I want to talk with you about is online booking. And I know everybody offers online booking. You could offer online booking in a multitude of ways on your website. You could even use Google Calendar to offer online booking. Housecall Pro's online booking is really cool though, and I think you're going to want to pay attention to this. If you're using Housecall Pro software to run your business, meaning when somebody calls and they want to book an appointment with you for plumbing, electrical work, carpet cleaning, house cleaning, to get their gutters cleaned, pressure washing, whatever it is that you're going to do for them, when they call in, you're going to open up Housecall Pro and you're going to type in that customer's name, phone number, email address, all that stuff, right? You're going to save all that information into Housecall Pro when you book the job. When somebody books online using your Housecall Pro online booking, it's as if they're in your system booking themselves in your system, right? So you're using the same system for online booking as you're using when you're booking people on the phone, which makes things really, really simple. Every time someone books online, they're in your CRM. Every time you book somebody on the phone or one of your employees on the phones book somebody, then you're adding them into your CRM. All that information goes to the same place. You're also making use of price items in Housecall Pro when you use online booking. So if you offer different services at different prices, so let's say you're a cleaning service and you do a whole home cleaning for $300 or $500 or whatever, or you offer, window washing and you do 20 windows for $300, you might have that price item saved in your Housecall Pro, 20 windows for $300. And you can show that in your Housecall Pro online booking page so that if customers want to book that special, they can just click and book it and then fill in their information. And all of that goes directly into your Housecall Pro dashboard where you can log in and see that they booked an appointment. You can see what they booked, how much they're going to be charged, all that stuff in advance. So Housecall Pro's online booking is really great because it integrates all of those things together, all the things that you're doing in your business already, scheduling, prices, line items, invoicing, all that stuff. It puts it all in the same place and it makes it easy for a customer to self-serve. So if they want to come to your website and book themselves, they don't have to wait for you to open up the next morning and answer the phone. They don't have to wait until the weekend's over for you to pick up the phone and book their appointment. They can go online and self-serve. So that's going to improve your conversion rates. Online booking is a great way to improve conversion rates at your service business because you're allowing people to self-serve during the hours when maybe you're not available or you're busy on the phone talking with another customer or you're busy in the field talking with the customer and you can't answer the phone. Online booking helps you solve all those problems, and Housecall Pro's online booking is integrated with everything in one place. It just makes it really, really easy. So you're going to want to use that. But I want to give you some secret features as well. So there's a feature inside of Housecall Pro's online booking that I think you should be using. This feature is called a confirmation redirect URL. So if you go inside of Housecall Pro, and I'll try to give you a screen recording of this, but I don't want to share anybody's Housecall Pro account with all their customer data and all their personal business data. But inside of your Housecall Pro account, you go to the App Store. You don't click on online booking. You go to the App Store and then scroll down to the online booking section within the App Store. And then when you find online booking, you're going to click Learn More. When you click Learn More, over on the right side of the page, you're going to see something that says Redirect Page. By default, after customer books online, we provide a confirmation screen of their booking. If you'd like to redirect them elsewhere, enter a URL here. Make sure that you enter a redirect URL here and create a confirmation page over on your website. It can be pretty simple. It can just be a page that says, confirmed, your appointment's confirmed, right? You booked an appointment online. Thanks. We'll contact you to confirm this booking shortly. That's all it needs to say. Put it on your website, yoururl.com/confirmation. Maybe that's your confirmation page URL. Once you've created that page on your website, go drop it into Housecall Pro as your redirect page. And anytime somebody books an appointment on your Housecall Pro online booking, they're going to get redirected back to your website and they'll be left on a confirmation thank you page on your website that says, hey, thanks, we got your booking. We'll contact you again soon. And that way, they start on your website, they leave on your website. And if you're working with anybody on your advertising and your analytics, this means that you can track these online bookings too. You can drop a Google Ads conversion tracking script on that thank you page. You can drop a GA4 event on that page. You can track online bookings by using a redirect URL. So that's a kind of a secret hack for you. Online booking with Housecall Pro is excellent though. The next thing that I want to share with you is reviews. So the number 2 thing that I think you should be leveraging is reviews. And of course, everybody offers reviews these days. There's a lot of ways for you to get reviews for your service business. We're talking about Google reviews, Facebook reviews, right? You want to get more 5-star reviews so that you can show up higher on search engines when people are searching for the services that you offer. If you want to show up when people are searching for pressure washing, window washing, house cleaning, carpet cleaning, car detailing, whatever it is that you offer, more reviews on your Google profile, it's going to help, right? More reviews on your Facebook page, they're going to help. Same thing's true of Yelp as well. So you want to get more reviews, and Housecall Pro has a reviews app that helps you do this. So you're going to want to go in and turn on the reviews app within Housecall Pro. You're going to want to connect your Facebook page and your Google business profile to make sure that you can send reviews over to those places. Now, here's an extra little hack. I want to share with you the stuff that's really going to help you move the needle on your business. You can ask every customer to leave you a review, and Housecall Pro will automatically find the people who have a Gmail address and say, hey, I'm going to ask you for a Google review because I know that you have a Gmail address. So you have a Google account and you can leave us a Google review. But because Housecall Pro makes that decision for you, that means that not every single customer is going to get asked for a Google review. They might get asked to leave a Facebook review or a review on your Housecall Pro reviews page, which unless you're promoting that reviews page on your website somewhere or linking to it from somewhere, a lot of people are not going to see those Housecall Pro reviews. You really want to get more Google reviews. That's where the money's going to be at. So a secret hack way to get more Google reviews from your Housecall Pro account is to go into your text messages. So if you go into your settings in Housecall Pro, I'm talking about your company settings, go into the text messages section, which is under communication, and you have 3 different text messages that Housecall Pro sends automatically. One is a job scheduled text. If you schedule a job on Housecall Pro, they send out a text that says, hey, we scheduled an appointment for you. They're going to arrive on Monday the 18th at 8 a.m., right? There's also an on my way text that says, hey, the team's on the way to your house right now. You can send that text to people when you hit your on the way to the job in the morning. There's a job finish text too. This is the 3rd automated text that Housecall Pro sends out. So in Housecall Pro, in the app, when you're out in the field, you have all these buttons you can push inside of the app to say, I'm on the way to the job. I'm finished with the job. When you hit that job finish button and you say, I'm finished up with this customer, Housecall Pro automatically sends a text message to that customer and says, hey, the technician's finishing up at your house right now. You can modify that text message in Housecall Pro, and you can add your Google review link to that text message. And I highly recommend that you do this. So instead of just saying, thanks for having our team at your house, we're finishing up your appointment right now, you can add to the end of that text message, by the way, leave us a review on Google, and then link to your Google review form. Make sure you do that, because if you modify this text and you send that Google review form via the job finish text, 100% of the people who receive your text messages are going to get your Google review form, right? 100% of them are going to get Google review forms. And that's very important because you want Google reviews more than anything else. So go modify your job finish text, include a Google review link in your job finish text, and it'll send that link to everybody who gets your text messages. You'll also be sending out the review link afterwards, asking people, hey, do you mind reviewing our business? That's okay. It's a double whammy. You're double communicating the fact that you want people to leave you a review. I have never gotten a complaint about this. I have done this in my own cleaning business for thousands of customers, okay? Thousands of customers receive these text messages. I didn't get a single complaint about over communicating. In fact, all we got was hundreds of reviews on our Google profile. We had over 300 or 400 reviews on our Google business profile by the time I sold my carpet cleaning business. So go use this because it definitely works. I've used it myself. We recommend it for all of our clients at my company, but cleaning jobs, we will go modify their job finish text and add in a Google review link if they don't already have it done in their account. So I recommend you go do that for yourself. Now, the third thing that I want to talk about, actually before that, why are Google reviews so important, right? Why is this important to your business? Social proof is important. People want to know that they can trust you. People want to know that they can trust your service business. And the biggest way that they know they can trust you is by seeing reviews that other people have used your business successfully, that other people have used your services successfully. Google reviews are great for that. Reviews on Angie, on Nextdoor, on Yelp, on Facebook, reviews all over the place, right? You want as much social proof as possible. So these reviews are really great for providing social proof, which is going to help improve your conversion rates. If somebody finds your business online and you don't have any reviews, it's going to reduce the number of people who contact your business because they're not sure if they can trust you or not. If somebody finds your business online and you have 500 reviews and 4.9 stars and everybody's glowing, raving about you, you're more likely to book jobs, right? You're going to increase your conversion rates. You're going to increase your booking rate. So social proof is helpful because it's going to help increase the number of people who book you when they find you online. It's also going to help you rank higher. Companies who have more reviews tend to rank higher on Google and other search engines. They tend to get found more often because there's more information out there about these companies. If there's a lot of reviews about your company, a lot of people talking about you, your profile is constantly being updated with new 5-star reviews, new comments from customers all over the city talking about how great your business is, that's gonna, Google's gonna notice that. Search engines notice that. It's gonna move you up in the rankings. Yelp's gonna move you further up their list of people. So reviews are gonna help you get found, and they're gonna help you get booked more often. Postcards, that's the next thing I wanna talk with you about. And the reason I think postcards are so important, and I think that you should be using postcards in Housecall Pro, again, there's a lot of solutions out there for sending postcards. You could be sending postcards through any number of other tools, right? There's tools that are specifically for sending direct mail. I think that Housecall Pro has a simple, elegant postcard solution that increases your lifetime value, right? It increases the lifetime value of your customers. If every time you serve a customer, you know that 7 days later, you're going to send them a thank you card, and it's going to include a coupon that they can use for their next appointment, or that they could give to a friend or family member to refer somebody to you, you're improving your lifetime value with that customer, right? You're asking them to come back, and you're increasing the odds that they're going to come back. If they come back and spend more money, they've increased their lifetime value. If they share that coupon with people, then they've referred somebody and they brought more business. They've grown your network, right? You've turned a customer into a referrer. You've turned a customer into an advocate. Or you've turned a customer into a promoter. Use the postcards in Housecall Pro to, first of all, thank your customers. I always send a thank you postcard to every single customer. It costs less than $1 per postcard to send these out. So send a thank you postcard, include a coupon on that postcard, and tell them they can use that coupon for their next appointment, or they can send it to a friend or family member who could use that coupon. So feel free to send thank you postcards from Housecall Pro, but also send reminder postcards. So let's say somebody hires your service on average every 6 months or every year. You're going to want to send a reminder postcard about every 6 months or about every year to remind them to hire you. Remind them who you are. Remind them that, hey, I'm the people, we're the people that were in your house recently, right? We were there 6 months ago and it's time for your next service. Call us again. It costs, like I said, less than $1 per postcard on Housecall Pro, the last time I checked, to send out these reminder postcards, and they improve your lifetime value. If you can get customers to come back for less than $1 per postcard, that's a lot cheaper than acquiring a new customer. Acquiring a new customer on Google could cost upwards of $30, $40, $50, $100, $200, depending on the type of service that you're offering, the type of business that you run. You might be spending hundreds of dollars to acquire a new customer. Housecall Pro costs less than $1 per postcard. If you can get a customer to come back and spend more money with you, that's a great return on your investment, right? So highly recommend that you turn on postcards within Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro gives you templates you can use. You don't have to get real creative here. You can use the templates within Housecall Pro. You can also go to Canva and create a postcard template in Canva with a coupon and put all your information on it, your own picture, your own company, your own branding, all that stuff, and then go upload that into Housecall Pro and send those postcards. It costs the same amount whether you use their designs or your design. So I hope that was helpful. Those are the 3 big things that I highly recommend you do inside of your Housecall Pro account. And if you're not already using Housecall Pro, then go sign up. There's a link in the description. You can save 50% off your first 2 months of Housecall Pro if you use that link. Go request a demo, check it out, see if you like the software. This stuff works great for car detailers, house cleaners, carpet cleaners, pressure washers, roofers, electricians, plumbers, all kinds of business. If you run a service business, if you're out in the field helping customers at their location, at their home, at their business, then this is a great field service management software for you. It can do all your invoicing, it can do online booking, it helps you get more reviews, it can help you follow up with your customers and make more money. It'll just help you stay more organized. There's so many new features being added to Housecall Pro all the time. I can't recommend it enough. I run a company called Book Cleaning Jobs where we help carpet cleaners and other cleaning business owners book more jobs. That's what we do full time. And the number one software that we recommend to everybody is Housecall Pro. The number one software that we recommend to everybody is Housecall Pro. And our best clients who are making the most money with their cleaning businesses are running their businesses on Housecall Pro. We could provide software for them to run their business on. We could create our own. We've experimented with that. But at the end of the day, we've constantly found that Housecall Pro is the best solution. Go check out the link in the description if you want to save 50% off your first couple months. Save this video, rewatch this video, and go add the things I mentioned earlier in this video. Go add the online booking and the confirmation URL. Go add the reviews and make sure that you're adding a review link to your job finish text. Go turn on postcards. Make sure you're sending a thank you and a reminder postcard. Include a coupon on those postcards. Save this video and then rewatch it if you need to. And go do all that stuff in your Housecall Pro account because you're going to make more money with it. I personally made more money with it. Other people who have watched my videos and implemented this stuff have made more money with it. The cleaners we work with that book cleaning jobs who've done this stuff or who have allowed us to do this inside of their Housecall Pro account, they've made more money with it. So go do it. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful, hit like, and I'll talk with you later.